Hi there my beautiful friends, hello and welcome to a new recipe video. Today I am making a cookie biscuit cake. In German we call it kalter hund, which translates to cold dog, which is really weird. But yeah, it's basically just like a chocolate cream and then you have those butter cookies, but make sure that you use the vegan ones. So yeah, let's just get right ahead into the video. Add 400 grams vegan dark chocolate to a bowl. Add in 40 gram unsweetened cacao and 200 grams coconut milk, preferably the hard part of the canned coconut milk. Melt everything over a double boiler until you get a thick creamy mass. Once melted, you can take it off the heat. I mixed some instant coffee to dip the cookies and give the cake some more dimension and flavor. Line a bread tin with foil or a baking sheet so that you'll be able to remove the cake later. Now the fun part begins. This is all about layering. So start with a layer of chocolate cream, dip the cookies into the coffee and place them on top. Continue with another round of chocolate cream, followed by more cookies. Continue to do so until you've finished your cream. My last layer were cookies, but I feel like it doesn't matter a whole lot. Once done, place the cake into the fridge and let it sit for at least 6 hours. Enjoy it cooled and make sure to keep it stored in the fridge. And it tastes even better on the second day. I used to have this cookie cake a lot when I was younger. I was making it with a friend and I don't know, I just love it so much. And I recently, don't even know where I saw it, but oh no, it was because I got those vegan cookies and I was like, I can make that cake. So that's what I did, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you remade it and if you liked it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time here on my channel.